Hey y'all. Yeah, that's a little bit. Hey y'all. Welcome back to Total Eclipse of the Heart, where it's always about love, money, karma, or greed. Let's read. Now this is a general read, where he may be a she. Ooh. London Bridge is falling down. What is that song about? London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Take the key and lock them up. Lock them up. Lock them up. Take the key and lock them up. My fair lady. The devil's out here. This is jealousy. Some trouble. Some bad luck. Somebody was holding back. Withholding what? Show me. Show me. Holding what? Thank you. A secret. A past secret. King of Wands. Okay. And the Queen of Wands. Someone was in a relationship. Someone was in a whole relationship in the past that was dealing with you. They was trying to keep you a sneaky link. Happiness. Show me about this son. This person might be married or was getting married. Had an affair. Queen of Cups. You a Queen of Cups out here, collective. You made this person happy. But for some reason, you had to close your cup. You had to close this cup off. Maybe you realized that you was not being prioritized. Because he had somebody else. Or she had somebody else. Take it how it resonates. Yeah. You had to ghost them. You had to leave them alone. You had to let them go. Take the key and lock them up, my fair lady. Somebody tried to hold you in a third-party situation. Tried to make you a mistress or a lover. And you realized that you had to let them go. This something about lies is here. Something about lies. Oh, King of Cups. Looky, looky, looky. You close your cup and move forward from a King of Cups. But he was offering love. But he had someone else that he was holding on to. I feel like she was doing other things. She was too busy for him. So he found something to do. And he found something to do with you, collective. But you was aware of something. I feel like you became aware of something. Knight of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. And Justice. Two knights, alignment. You have this person see something clearly. They was giving to this other person and sleeping with you. That's what's going on here. Laying it low and spreading it wide. And now you got some clarity, truth. Maybe he's getting a divorce because legal situations is here. The police is involved. The police was involved. But you had left before the police came into... What is this? Show me. Lock them up. Somebody got incarcerated or was about to be incarcerated. Yeah, they had to pay their way out. They had to sit for a minute because they didn't have the money. There was a delay. I feel like drunk driving. I feel like a DUI to a cup. Because they miss you. They want to be with you. They'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. It's a song. Yeah, I'd rather be with you. It's a rock song, like, but I'm singing it in a different tone. I don't understand. Something, chaos. Something is in a different tone. You are different from what this other person is. You're totally different. Emperor on justice and locked up. Emperor to the Queen of Cups. It's like you upgraded this person to be a better person. You different from what they was used to. You're not the same as what they like. Their type. You were not their type. They thought you were not their type. This was a test. A test. Something about the waters. An open road. Somebody opened the road. And now they can grow or something. They feel like this person has grown from a king to an emperor. Because of you, collective, I feel like you was different from what they used to. They maybe felt like low vibration was on their level, or they liked it. They liked it. Now they frustrated over Nine of Swords. But this Temperance is still ringing. Something's ringing. They're going to call you. They want to call you. They want to connect with you. They want to talk to you about something. They're stressed out because they want to talk to you. They want to say something. What do they want to say? What is it that's going on here? Shit. 2. King and 8. King 8. King 8. Great. Knight of Cups. 3 Knights is out here. Support. And strength is out here. You're healing. You're healing mannerism. Your confidence. You gave this person confidence to balance something. And it healed them. It was like you healed a wound that this person had. I think this person that they was with is very verbally abusive. And maybe his or her, take it how it resonates, self-esteem was sort of low because of the way this person treats them. Chaos. That's trouble. Because that was a lot. That was a whole... And this one wants to... This one wanted to fall, too, wanted to fall. And they're both wands. Somebody is taking some type of action. 10 of wands and 3 of wands. The 7 of wands. Something about the 7 of wands. Hold on. I feel like self-defiance. Some type of competition. Protection against competition. They was waiting for the right moment to come back, and now they're burdened because they got competition. They got some kind of competition going on. They can't walk away right this moment. They can't get away. It's like somebody's turning their back to walk away, but something is on them. It's like, take the key and lock them up. Somebody's fighting with them. Somebody's arguing or fighting with them. Because a lot of chaos is out here. A lot of trouble. They're going through some type of troubled times. This person is very verbally abusive. They're verbally abusive. Who? Why? What? Yeah. They keep knocking their confidence down. They keep destroying their confidence with some type of words they say. Something they're doing. It's bringing like sorrow to this person. Oh, shit. Oh, oh. They need help. What is this help about? 10 of Swords. Now, this is 2 10s out here. The 10th card in tarot is the Wheel of Fortune. So somebody having some type of bad luck. I think I said this. They feel like they having some type of bad luck because somebody keep knocking their confidence down. The Queen of Swords is in reverse. They talking negative to this person. This person is verbally abusive or being verbally abused. And they've been drinking, and I think they got a DUI. And had to go sit down for a minute. On the bottom of the deck is six of Wands, victory. Now, anytime going to sit down in jail or prison is a victory, something ain't right. But you do get clarity. When you get into those type of situations and have to sit, you really have a chance to think clearly. Because I can see clearly now the rain is gone. All the obstacles is out of somebody's way. Let me see. Page of Pentacles. They're going to start new, fresh. They want to start new and fresh. But this page is like something about patience. They're going to raise some type of money. They're going to raise some type of money. A page in a page. So they can become aligned with you, collective. Because this is like, they know. They know something. They learned something. This was I told you it was a lesson. They learned the good and the bad. It's like they learned the difference between real relationship and a courtship, or they learned something about relationship. And now they want to take a leap of faith and come back and manifest their dreams. Because you were the sun to them. You was like a breath of fresh air. They researched you. They're researching you. They're looking up something about you. They want to know all about you. They got brokenhearted. Jealousy. Jealousy is out here again. I told you this. Somebody's frustrated and jealous. I think this is the third party. They know. They don't know you. But they know something. They got some kind of intuition that this person has been laying it low, spreading it wide, and manifesting something, but they've been doing research, and now they got their heart broke because some seek and you shall find. That's what I just heard. So maybe they found out some information. Now they want to come towards you with a conversation. They know that y'all love us. They know this person is either in love with you or that y'all had an affair. Y'all had some kind of romantic. They trying to juggle this. They trying to juggle this. They're trying to balance something. What? 7 of Cups. This 7 of Cups is different. Hold on. They're looking beyond the clouds. I just keep hearing, look beyond the clouds. Look beyond the clouds. And I'm trying to figure out to the lovers that they're managing to look beyond the clouds. So the clouds are the obstacles. So they're looking past into the future, like to be a King of Pentacles. They're working on some kind of finance to come back and tell you something. To give you something. No, to talk to you. This is to talk to you about what happened to them. They want to tell you what happened to them. What's really going on. They want to let go of something. It's like things are falling apart. Things are happening quickly. Things are happening out of control. Because chaos is out here. Remember I told you that. 9 of Wands. They undecided though on what you need or what you want. They got a wall behind them, but so they can run back to and guard themselves from a heartbreak, but they're going to take some type of action. This is a wounded warrior though. They're very fragile because of the fact that they have been, I feel like they went through some chaos, some turmoil once you left. And now it's like they realize that they must have compared you to the other person, or you compared them to another person. Take it how it resonates. And the other person doesn't measure up to you. And now they're planning to offer you the world. They're coming back to offer you them. They want to be in a relationship. They got a little confidence, but they get in their independence. They're trying to work on some type of independence. But this is feelings. They don't know your feelings. They're very pleased with you, but they don't know your feelings. They hope you don't doubt their sincerity when they offer you something. They hope you don't reject their sincerity or their truth. They feel like all is not lost with you too. It's like, I feel like something is remaining. Some words have been unspoken. They feel like they can win with you. They feel like they were defeated when you left. Now they want to offer you something. But money is coming. I don't know if this money is coming towards you or towards them. But somebody is about to get some kind of increase in money. And then they're going to collaborate with, network with, work out something. Work out some kind of arrangement. They're going to work out, once they get this money, they're going to work out some kind of arrangement. Or once you get this money, they're going to come back and work out some kind of arrangement. But they're not coming for money because they're going to put in the work. They're going to put in the work and build. It's going to be equal give and take. They got to get away from somebody though, or something. It's like their past. They're trying to release the lies and they're trying to guard themselves from the past. They don't want the past to haunt them or something to this effect, so they can have a happy life with you. So they can have a happy life with you. Possibly children. That's the read. Like, share, and boop, boop, boop. Subscribe. Leave a comment. I hope this helps. Thank you for tuning in.